You can easily stare at a screen, swiping through endless feeds for 3 straight hours without breaking a sweat. But sitting down to focus on your actual work for even 10 minutes feels like physical torture. We usually write off that massive gap as a personal failure. We assume highly productive people are born with an endless reservoir of willpower, and we simply lack the mental strength to keep up. But neuroscientists view this differently. Discipline operates as a habit loop. It is a highly mechanical process built entirely on cues and biological responses. The exact same neurological machinery keeping you locked onto your phone is functioning perfectly. You just have to reverse engineer that machinery so it craves hard work instead. To do that, we have to look at the chemical engine driving all of our compulsive behaviors: dopamine. This line graph maps dopamine levels. The massive spike happens here, well before the reward marker. Dopamine fires during anticipation. But when we link this anticipation to effortless things, like tapping an app, the spike automatically points you toward the phone. Achieving sustained focus means taking that anticipation response and aggressively reprogramming its triggers so it points toward difficult tasks. The process starts with a practical tool designed to override your brain's natural resistance: the micro-commitment rule. Instead of sitting down and telling yourself you need to study or work for 3 grueling hours, you only commit to 10 minutes. Your brain evolved to conserve energy, so it instinctively sounds the alarm when it anticipates a massive drain on your focus. A small 10-minute window slips right past those natural defenses without triggering procrastination. By aggressively lowering the barrier to entry, you initiate the action phase of the habit loop with almost zero neurological friction. The exact moment those 10 minutes are up, you immediately execute the second step: instant reward stacking. This diagram shows how we close the habit loop. You pair the action with an instant reward: listening to a favorite song, drinking a coffee, or walking, right as the task ends. This manually forces your brain to associate the hard work with a positive payload. To permanently lock this behavior in place, you add the final component: visual streak tracking. Marking an X on a calendar every single day provides visual proof of your progress. Seeing that unbroken chain triggers a compulsive, innate desire to maintain the sequence. Tech companies use this exact UI psychology to keep you logging into their apps daily. You are simply applying their billion-dollar retention strategies to your own productivity. With a micro-commitment to start, a reward to look forward to, and a streak to protect, you have constructed a closed-loop system that reliably generates its own dopamine. Running this specific 3-step loop consistently takes roughly 2 to 3 weeks to become completely hardwired. The agonizing resistance you used to feel when sitting down at your desk evaporates. It gets replaced by an automatic, subconscious pull toward your work. Discipline is a programmable biological system. You just need to feed it the right code. Pick a task you've been putting off and test the micro-commitment rule on it right now. Don't wait until tomorrow to start. You can bypass your procrastination and hijack your brain today for just 10 minutes. If you want to keep decoding the hidden psychological mechanics driving your decisions, subscribe to the channel. Because once you understand your biology, you control your behavior. See you in the next one.